So this one is basically the block, looking like this. As you can see right here, we have a button right here that basically can turn it on, and we have a USB cable on the bottom as well, as you can see. So it's pretty long, so we can let that out. See it here, guys. So this can plug into a USB connection inside your car. So basically we have some light panel right here. Basically we can screw off this, and we can put our diffuser in here with some water. So guys, I have went ahead and purchased this aisle diffuser, as you can see right here, which can work with my diffuser right here. These are basically great. As you can see, we have a lot of different flavor right here. We have the organic peppermint, we have the lavender, we have the eucalyptus, we have the lemongrass, and we have the orange. So guys, these are all the flavors that I have inside. So we're gonna try one of these flavors into this essential diffuser right here to see how best it work and smell. So this one right here is the peppermint, as you can see. So what you're going to do, we are going to add some water. So you can pull up this right here. We can add some water in right here. Then we're going to drop a tip of one of these right here into the aisle diffuser for it to work. Plug it in, it will work just fine. As you can see, guys, I have put my water inside right here. Now I'm going to tip a bit of my diffuser aisle inside. As you can see. Okay guys, so basically I have it now plugged in. It's got on, as you can see right there. Diffuser aisle basically burning, and it burns something like this. As you can see, we have a power right here. You can basically put it inside your car, give you that fresh smell, as you can see right here. Looking pretty neat. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you find it very, very helpful.